How to fix message notification not working on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on message app. Click on force stop. After click on force stop, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Scroll down and click on display and brightness. Click on eye comfort and sleep, and you will see turn off bed mode. After turn off sleep mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on sound and vibration and turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone and click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, enter phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Realme Narzo 1990x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.